How to make an account in Geometry Dash. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you're going to be able to create an account in Geometry Dash in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to be going over to the settings option over here and you're going to click on account. Now, once you click on account, simply click on register and right over here is where you're going to add the relevant details that you're going to need for your account. Make sure to set up a proper password for yourself. And once you have done that, what we're going to do is we're simply going to register ourselves in. And you're going to add in your email, verify your email, submit it, and that will basically create your Geometry Dash account. So that is how easy and simple it is to create a Geometry Dash account for yourself in the easiest way. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.